Are you ready to turn Black Friday's email insights into your advantage so you succeed this coming Black Friday of 2024? Well, every year inboxes are flooded with email after email, and the growing and biggest problem of all is not only getting your email to go to the inbox, but whilst it's there, also making sure it's one of the ones that are actually seen. Well, on Black Friday of 2023, over 2.5 billion emails were sent, and that was over a 30% increase on the previous Black Friday of 2022. So with this level of emails being sent over Black Friday, it is a challenge to make sure that your email is actually seen. So this requires you to have strategic planning and a well-optimized email deliverability rate. Well, here at Warmy, you can utilize our suite of tools and AI cutting-edge technology with Adlin AI to make sure that your email deliverability is well optimized. Now, let me show you this quick video of how Adlin AI works. So this is how you can make the most of Adlin AI. First off, you need to sign up for your 7-day free trial. What you want to do next is connect your email provider so it's connected to the Warmy dashboard. So now you can see your email is connected. So what we're going to do now is come up here and click on this. And now that you're here and you want to utilize Adlin AI, you want to come over to settings. And then once you're on settings, you can see here you have control of the speed of increasing your temperature. But if you want to put it down to low, to slow mode, you can see that there, or alternatively, you can put it across to fast mode. Put in the maximum emails per day and then press save. And then from here, Adlin AI will take care of the rest. During peak times over Black Friday, this is when people in their masses are going to be sending those emails to their inboxes. So you can try something else in terms of a strategy. Send your emails when it's not peak time, making sure that your email is not only going to the inbox, but then also you're going to have a higher chance that that person who you've sent the email to is going to engage. Again, if you use Warmy to help aid you in this process, you'll get instant feedback to all of your metrics and key information so you can make any necessary changes where you see fit. Last year, automation played a massive part of all sales generated on Black Friday, with 30.4% of all sales being automated. Automated sequences like welcome and cart abandonment emails will keep your overall audience engaged and will lead to a higher conversion rate. And then overall, customers engage more with content or emails that feels more personalized to them. And if this is tailored correctly, then people have seen an up to 13% increase rate in their emails being interacted with and a higher click-through rate because of this. And for this coming Black Friday, if you pair SMS with email marketing campaigns, then this is a very powerful tool and overall combination that keeps your customers engaged because you're interacting with them not only via email, but also via SMS. And if you want to try Warmy's 7-day free trial so you can try this out for yourself, taking your email deliverability from here to the next level, then go down to the link below, click on that, and then you'll have full access for 7 days to our full suite of tools. Again, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.